Guys, checking my sensors and VVT solenoids. I'm not sure how far I can get here, but this is the sensor next to high pressure fuel pump. So I just removed the cover. Look at the condition, 180 miles. Does it seem clean? I'm gonna use airflow sensor cleaner. Clean these sensors. One here, another one over there. Like it's like few of them, and hope I can get to the valves too. Okay, on that side I cleaned. Here's another side. I had to remove this air intake part. This is the part I took off. Here's another sensor. I'm still not sure if I can get to the valves. Here's another sensor. I'm not sure how it's supposed to be. It looks dirty, but like, for some parts it doesn't matter. And of course, okay, so clean it just with the rack, and looks okay to me. Okay, so I believe this is camshaft position sensors that I just cleaned. So the valve located right under this pipe. I'm not sure if I can get to this part, and another one located somewhere under high pressure fuel pump right over there. Okay, to get to this valve you have to release this coolant pipe. It's attached here with 12mm bolts. Got to this solenoid, have no clue how to remove it from here. It's a headache. I cannot remove wires because I can get access there because of belt. I cannot pull it down because it's sticking to this engine. I don't know how to do this. Fucking crap. So I had to put everything back. I couldn't take off this VVT valve because I may have to remove the belt, because the belt is on my way. I cannot even disconnect the wires, and I cannot push it down because of engine parts. On this side it's right under high pressure fuel pump. You have to remove coolant hoses 100%, otherwise there's no access. Maybe even remove the belt. So like you have to remove a lot of parts here. Like if this job is gonna be expensive to you, so don't be surprised. So I give up with this solenoids. Hopefully cleaning those two sensors will help. We'll see. That's all for now. Okay, so here's update. So I'm driving this for 2 days. I made about 76 miles. After cleaning this VVT sensors, what can I say? If it's running better, I think yes. If it's switching gears better, I think yes. It's switching more smooth and on time, works well. Mileage, fuel economy, average 15. I made like some miles on the highway, so maybe because of that I think in this city it's gonna be much less. So far I would recommend to clean that sensors. You cannot do valves, but at least sensor for sure. If you ever had feeling on QX that is skipping gears, for example, you start driving, it goes like first gear, second gear, and second, and then boom, fourth gear, and RPM dropping down. I had it before, a long time ago. Now it works beautiful. Switching very nice and very smooth. Running very good. Hopefully it will continue. Because sometimes you have a feeling even after car wash that your car is running better. Yeah. Okay, so I recommend to clean 2 sensors. A 10 minutes job. Good luck.